Desi girl, Desi girl. Guys, when it's summertime, I am a proper Desi girl when it comes to having cold drinks. I always go for the typical street style lime soda or masala lime soda. That is one thing that actually quenches my thirst instead of thumbs up or Pepsi. I'm telling you guys, do try this recipe which I'm making exactly the same as the Wala Masala Soda. And guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon which will notify you each time I upload a new recipe, and it's free of cost. And now let's proceed and make the street style masala soda. So guys, for this recipe you're going to need half cup of sugar. We are going to make sugar syrup out of this, and we might not end up using the entire amount. Whatever is remaining, we can always store it in an airtight container for use later on. We're also going to need one entire lime juice, half teaspoon of black salt which is kala namak, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder which is kali mirch powder. And we are making masala soda, so we are of course going to need some soda, some ice, and we are set. So now let's begin our process. So guys, the very first thing to do is to make the sugar syrup. So usually you take about half a cup of sugar, and to that you're going to add half a cup of water. So equal parts of sugar to equal parts of water. So if you take 1 cup of sugar, add 1 cup of water, and now let's just blend it till the time the sugar and the water become one with each other. Now guys, the sugar has dissolved in the water, so let's turn off the flame, and now let's just wait till the time this sugar, water or sugar syrup comes down to room temperature. So guys, our sugar syrup is down to room temperature, so I removed it in a bowl, and now let's add about 6 teaspoons of the sugar syrup in here. And add some black salt, some chaat masala, black pepper powder, along with the entire 1 lime juice. And of course, let's add a lot of ice in here. And now guys, I'm going to use a steel bowl like this and shake it up. And lovely. It's smelling amazing already. Now guys, I always like to add like few slices of lime in here with few leaves of mint. And now let's add the soda. Of course, now let's give it a quick stir. Oh, look at that. I am already, like, my mouth is already watering. It's so hot over here that I absolutely cannot wait to have our drink. Now I'm digging in. Cheers guys. That is what I'm going to give as a reaction, because it's so yummy, so chatpata. Yummy. Make it today guys. It's so refreshing, so refreshing. Just make it today. Do let me know what you think about it. And guys, if you do like my recipes, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. But don't forget to first click on the subscribe button and then click on these other links. And I will see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.